everyone, it's Hanny with a new junk journal embellishment challenge, and I think it's number, I have to look, number 62, and the prompt is music, and I'm going to make a booklet. So this is the stuff I could find. I have more, but this is a stamp of a violin, and I know I have more music stamps with music notes and music lines and instruments, but I couldn't find them. Maybe I have them in the camper van, because there I have stuff too. And we are home for a few days, and tomorrow we're leaving again, so I still have stuff in the camper van, so I have to do it without that stuff, because well, I'm not getting it out, because then I have to put it in again, and well, no, I don't do that. So this is what I found, what I have in my house, in my craft room. This has to do with music, old tapes and vinyl thingies. So, and I have a flyer of our Concertgebouw in Amsterdam, I think. Amsterdam. I have some program books from concerts I have been. This is the Matthäus Passion of Bach. I have some music paper, unwritten, blank. So maybe I'm going to use that, because it's a booklet. So, and music papers, of course, different kinds of music papers. And I have this. And I like this one. Maybe I'm going to use this for the booklet, like so, something like that. And some other music papers. Oh yeah, this I have. I like that. So, I don't know what to do. As usual, I don't have a plan. Yeah, the only thing I have is I thought of, well, using this. So, well, I'm going to speed up, and I'm making a booklet. Number 62, the Junk Journal Embellishment Challenge, music. Enjoy watching.